Hello. In this video, I will show you how to use the Flash VM boot feature in NAKIVO Backup and Replication to instantly recover a full VM. The feature can be used to recover VMware vSphere VMs as well as Microsoft Hyper-V VMs. In this tutorial, I recover a VMware VM. The Flash VM boot feature in effect allows you to run a VM directly from a backup without actually recovering the VM first. When you boot a VM from a backup, NAKIVO Backup and Replication creates a new VM on the target server. To proceed with instantly recovering a VMware VM, make sure you have a backup of the machine you would like to recover. To learn how to back up a VMware VM with NAKIVO Backup and Replication, you can check the video in the top right corner. In your instance of the NAKIVO solution, go to Data Protection and select the completed VM backup job. Click the Recover button and under VMware Full Recovery, select Flash Boot for VMware. This will launch the Flash Boot job wizard for VMware. At the backup step, select the VM you would like to instantly boot and the recovery point. You can choose to use the latest recovery point or edit and specify the point in time you need. You can use the calendar view or the table view to find your recovery point. Click Next to continue. At the destination step, specify the container, data store, network and VM folder for the recovered machine. If you are recovering multiple VMs within a single job, you can specify different settings under Advanced Setup. Select each VM to expand and see the list of available options. When ready, click Next. Proceed to create a schedule or run this job on demand and click Next. Finally, at the Options step, add a name for the job and set the priority, with 1 being the highest. You can also enable screenshot or boot VM verification. If you want to scan the VM data before recovery for any malware, you can set malware detection to enabled. The malware detection settings pop-up opens. Set the scan server and scan type. The scan server is the machine with the antivirus software installed responsible for checking for malware. Then specify what you want to happen if malware is detected, the recovery job fails or data is recovered to an isolated network. For the recovered VM options you can specify how to name recovered VMs. For example, you can choose to add recovered in the end, leave the recovered VM names as is or enter custom VM names. Select whether to generate new MAC addresses and whether to power on the recovered VM. If you have previously set an SMTP server in email settings, you can send job run reports to the specified email address. You can run local pre- or post-job scripts and specify a proxy transporter if needed. Once everything is set, click Finish and Run to add the job to the job list and run it. The recovery job is now running. Once the job is finished, you can find your VM on your VMware vCenter or ESXi host. If you no longer need to use the recovered VM, you can click Discard VMs to end the job and remove it from vCenter or ESXi. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to catch new uploads. You can also visit the NAKIVO website to download a free trial version of NAKIVO Backup and Replication and try the solution in your own environment for 15 days.